Okay, lowered the spindle down, and that seems to take care of the raising for the dust boot. It still seems like it's raising too high when you go to add the dust boot. The program I'm running is simple. It's a 2D. It's just 3/8 inch circles all over a board. There's nothing special. There's nothing weird. I pulled the circles straight off the shape over here, added them in, copied and multiplied them. I'm going to go to carve, confirm the thickness. I'm going to put my X, Y, and Z in the right place. And again, I'm not going to put it on my board because you can see it still was making major errors when it's cutting. I'm going to lower my position. And again, I'm just going to set it for like a ghost pass, basically. It's not touching the board, but it is above the board where it would be. Everything should still run like normal. I'll confirm my material, confirm my bit, manual placement, use new position. I'm going to click the raise bit. It goes up a slight bit like it's supposed to. I'm going to raise to attach the dust shoe. As you can see, it goes up a lot higher than it used to go. I don't know why. I've been using this machine for about a year, but I know that's a lot higher than it was before. I'm going to do attached. So I'm going to hit turn on spindle, which is not going to turn on because the voltage control is not working. Spindle's on, and I'm going to hit carve. Now you can see it lowers down, but again, this is a lot higher. This is probably 2 inches up than what it should raise. And it does come all the way back down eventually to the correct position. And then I'm just going to let it run through. I'll fast forward to the point where it has the error. So as you can see, the unit's completely stopped now. Power's still on, everything's still running. The program has paused itself for whatever reason. I'm going to hit play again. When I hit play again, it does absolutely nothing. It's not locked up. It made a little grunt, but the carving is basically stopped now. Sometimes it doesn't even pause. It just does what it does there. As you can see, it still looks like it's running, but it just stops in the middle of the process. I've got a 1 gigabyte per second internet connection. My internet connection's solid. I've checked it. I'm hardwired to the unit, so it's not a connection between this and that. That's what the controller says. I'm not sure what that means, but that's what it says when it stops. And again, it's just stopped dead in the middle. And just as another note on it, as you can see by this line here, sometimes it just takes random cut paths. It'll be in the middle cutting this process. It'll cut circle, 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 and then it'll just go straight up to the side, sometimes at an angle. But it's really inconsistent on what it does every single time. And also the output voltage is not working going to the controller. It's getting 0.8, not 8 volts, but 0.8 volts coming out of it. So it's not kicking on the controller to turn on the spindle anymore either. If I hit stop on it, it'll still stop. When I hit home, it does nothing. The controller's locked up now, so now I have to go in and actually unlock the controller, reset, unlock. It still gives you an error. If I unlock it again, hit reset again, same problem. So it takes you a while to figure out which buttons to hit to actually unlock the motors to get the unit to home itself.